it's a paracord. You just
Where are we going? Baldy today?
Oh yeah.
All right, guys, we're going Baldy, our first hike of the year.
Baldy.
2022.
Happy New Year.
Let's go.
Bye guys.
Too early.
Saw you paint a picture of a face.
So lucky that I have it.
Face that wasn't even close to mine.
Good morning. Happy New Year. Back at Balls. Somewhat paved. And the
I
other
know I
half.
shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed, you stayed the same. But if you did, I'd still love you anyway. I'd give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the
Stay
same.
away from that hole.
Once we get up in
I'd give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same. Had this conversation more than 10 times.
He's chewing on the ice.
I still wish you were mine. Haven't ate in 7 days, 'cause I've been up till 6.
We'll be moving in a few. Crampon on.
cowboy camp. Yeah, I did. It was perfect. We woke up in the morning.
We'll try to
Oh, those are clip-on.
hit the bowl for the soup. Crampon on.
Bananas.
Everybody wearing crampons.
Oh yeah. Like
Yeah.
this.
All right, so here we are, moving on the bowl. And it's sunny. It's about past 10 o'clock. Beautiful weather, actually.
Okay. Okay. We'll wait for you.
We're getting there, probably 300 feet above me, and then above that ledge, a little bit of ways going to the summit. We're getting there, getting warm. Still no wind. I'm looking down. I think I'm even higher than Ontario Peak and Cucamonga area. Looking down at the bowl, probably I'm like 200 feet away from the ledge. There goes Martin. I hate that section right there. Where we straight up and then we turn to the curve to the left. I like that part. Kind of scary. I don't like it. Almost there. Whew, right there. Oh. Losing. Oh, losing.
I think he's got a propeller. He does.
No. It's losing elevation.
No.
No, it's gonna drop.
Oh no.
No.
Who's got a first
Gonna
aid?
cross.
Oh shit.
You're gonna go up there and film it.
Hey, do you got a first aid?
Yeah.
No. He just passed. He made it.
He dropped in.
On our way down, probably like we were 100 feet below the summit, we saw a glider. We thought the glider's gonna hit the summit. Yeah.
20 feet above the summit.
I got a shot of that, so kind of cool. I think he made it. He didn't hit the summit.
Hopefully he
So.
made it.
All right, we're what's the elevation again? 90.
9687.
Okay, we're about 400 below the summit. We stopped to get something to eat. Boiling water. Gonna make some noodles. What you gonna have?
Tuna.
Okay. And Martin, you gonna boil water too?
Yeah, I'm gonna have.
Same as Jeanette and Scott and Justin over there.
Oh yeah.
And look at this. Stay away from snow bomb. That will become ice bomb. Beautiful day to play out here. Up in Baldy. What are you guys gonna have?
Little chicken noodle soup.
Alright, nice.
And coffee.
Alright.
I got a hot dog sandwich.
Alright, we're gonna keep moving. Getting late. We had lunch or snack, whatever. And I'm gonna use the trekking pole this time, going down better than the ice axe. I still have my compound right there. So we went up from ski hut to the bowl on the right side, all the way there to that ledge and connect to the summit. Those are avalanches right there.
Are you crazy? What are you doing?
You gonna take this? Where are you going? Going the wrong way.
Was that that was it? No?
Came up.
Yeah, that's the way, right around there.
That's where we came from, but we can do this trail.
Yeah, that's the easy one right there.
It's up to you guys.
It looks pretty tracked up now.
Going down is different.
Backed up.
Alright guys, we're moving out. We're almost into like last hour. It could be dark before we reach the parking. So see you in a while. Whew, it's already dark. Getting out of the Baldy Bowl trail. Going back to the road.
99 elevation. Look at that sunset.
Yeah, sunset looks amazing.
We made it to Baldy by way up the bowl.
Our next
We're back on the road. We're still waiting for Justin and Jeanette to come down here. But there was a traffic getting out of this place. You can see at the bottom.
Yeah, they're not even.
You see the light right there? It's not even moving. We'll be stuck here for probably another couple of hours. Oh, here they are. Jeanette and
Oh, baby.
Justin. We made it safe down below here at the road. So probably
We survived.
half a mile, or more than half a mile.
Yeah, 3/4.
Alright, we're gonna go down there.
3/4.
So we made it out safe. I got stuck here, but I was able to get out. So my car is parked there. Still a lot of people up here.
Tell their family and friends.
And honestly, it was just like a mindset change for her, right? You could just see it
Yeah.
immediately. She was just like all of a sudden.
It was a great hike, guys. I hope you liked the video. For those who are planning to go up Baldy Bowl, make sure you have all the necessary safety gear, and should have at least you know, the basics know-how. If you have experience, the better, you know. Until then, this is Robert saying bye-bye for now, for the first adventure of 2022. Ciao.